Here's how to scrape TikTok videos without any coding knowledge. For this, we will use TikTok Scraper extension from Nifty Codes. Link is in the description. Since I'm using Chrome, I will press download for Chrome. Then I'll just add it. Next, go back to the page you want to scrape. Then press on the extension. Now, press extract videos. As you can see, we extracted the videos in this list. To extract more, simply scroll down. Once you're done, press Add to Export List. Alternatively, you can use the auto function, which will auto-scrape for you and add the data to the list. Once you're done, press Stop. Now, to export this, press Export Data. You can export it in many different ways. I will export it as CSV. After exporting, here is all the information we extracted. But what if you don't like the naming or the order of the data? You can easily fix that. Just go back to the extension and make sure this pop-up is open. Then press on the extension again. Then press Customize Fields. In here you can change the data however you like. So for example, I will uncheck some data that I don't want. You can also change the order of the data. And finally, you can also change the name. Once you're done, press Save. Then press Export. After exporting, here's the new file we exported. Completely changed to your needs.